Their communication needs to be cleaned up. How do I know this? When I listen to them, they have what are called filler words. Ums, oohs, ahs, likes. These are filler words. We are using these words to fill space because our brain is thinking. We are uncomfortable with that silence. And so we're using these filler words to just fill that space up while we're thinking. However, if you just used silence as opposed to a filler word, you come across as someone who is confident in themselves. An individual that uses a filler words, it makes the individual look like they're unconfident, somebody not worth listening to.